Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my home and my property here in Livingston, Montana. Okay, let me turn this camera around on myself. Okay, today is June 7th of 2022, and I'm first now getting around to mowing my lawn. Why? Because I hate mowing lawns. I suffer with hay fever. I mean, mowing yards is one of my most despised jobs I ever do. I am not kidding you. But anyway, I'm going to dedicate this file to a fellow here in Livingston by the name of Dean. How are you, Dean? You know, you become a friend of mine and I'll make you famous. Dean is a fellow that moved in here, him and his wife, from, well, I'm not going to say what state, but he'd been living here in Livingston for about 18 months. He was walking by with his little grandbaby and he seen me and he come over and talked to me for a while. So welcome to the state of Montana, Dean. Okay, let me move on. I'm burning daylight. I am going out in my garage and try to start my John Deere, my new X350. It hasn't been started all winter long, but this Craftsman right here, I just got done doing some trim work with it. You know, around in the rough areas, I don't want to take that new mower because I'm trying to make it last. But anyway, the next clip, I'll be out there fighting with my John Deere to see if I can get it going. Like I say, it's an X350 for you folks that might be interested. Okay, let's get on down the trail. Okay, this is going to be really stupid there, ladies and gentlemen, but I got to set this tripod down because I need both hands to start this John Deere. I have no idea how this film clip is going to turn out because my eyes can't be everywhere, my hands can't be everywhere, and all that. I got a box I'm going to set this tripod in. Let me see if I can get this thing going. Like I say, this is a John Deere X350. Hasn't been started all winter up here in Livingston, Montana. So let me see what I can do here. I'm not altogether sure what you can see, what you can't see. Well, let me give that a try. Yeah, I need a hand for the key and a hand for the choke. Two hands. Got her. Yeah, baby. I don't know if that's going to work out or not, but anyway, how much gas do I got in this thing? Oh, it's almost full. Yeah, at first it was acting like it wasn't going to start. But anyway, hope you can see the designation. Well, whatever here. Okay. Tell you what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to just let this warm up a little bit. I'm going to chop this file off and let us move on to the next file. I'm going to be cutting some 18-inch to 24-inch grass. That's no kidding either. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what my mower looks like. I bought it brand new last year. I did a couple videos on it. People seem to be kind of interested. Anyway, I'm not going to get into all the specs. You can look it up. There's what this guy is. It's an X350 John Deere. And I'll be doing a little mowing here in a few minutes, so hang on. Don't go to sleep. By the way, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, give me the finger. Love me, hate me, kiss me. You know, sign up for the program, all that kind of stuff. This has got a Kawasaki engine in it, pretty powerful, does a good job, 42-inch jack. I just thought I'd kind of, you know, show you this mower. It's got LED lights in it. You know, this thing costs enough, it cost me over $3,000. So, yeah. So anyway, right down here, let me show you this grass. See how high that is? That's what I'm going to be cutting. So let's move on to the seed. Well, here I am sitting in the shade goofing off, and there's my mower sitting right there ready for me, beckoning me to come and do some work. Actually, in the last clip that I recorded, my wife walked right dead in the way of this camera, and she don't want herself put on YouTube, so I had to shoot this clip all over again. Anyway, this is the clip that I want to show the most. I got 18 inches to 2 feet of grass out here. I just simply want to show how well that this X350 John Deere cuts. And by the way, I don't even know why I'm doing this file, ladies and gentlemen. You know why? John Deere ain't paying me any money. They should pay me money to do stuff like this. But anyway, let's get to mowing, and let me show you how efficient this is. I made one good pass around the yard, but had to ditch the file. Let's get going. We're burning daylight. Okay, let me see if I can keep this thing in focus. That's the problem with this. All right. Let me show you something. A little while ago, I busted this pipe off right here, and this goes to my water. Shuts the water off, the water main into my house, but grass was so high, I hit it with my other mower and broke it. Well, anyway, let's go. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is make sure this is in focus. Lower the deck. Then you take the park brake off. Turn up the RPM so it comes up on that gauge right there. Hits the green. Okay. Now, there's what we're cutting right there. Got the picture? Okay. Let's go for it. I'm saying? Yeah, that'll be the day. I'm dying over here. Yeah, my wife's out planting flowers. I don't dare show this camera on her. She's already mad because I haven't been out here mowing anyway. She'll get over it. See this grass? 2 feet high. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I certainly hope I can get a movie file out of all this mess. Been out here all day screwing around. Put on the brakes so I don't have no accident. Let me lift up the Mower deck. Yeah, this thing's got all kinds of safety features. Okay, I think I might got a movie file on this, at least I hope anyway. This is lawn mowing up here in Montana, or at least in my place anyway. Like I say, I am no lover of anything to do with grass or any of that. The reason being is I got hay fever. But ladies and gentlemen, if you like what you've seen here, you know, give me a finger, you know, give me a little kiss, thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, let me know you were here and all that good stuff. You know, sign up for the program. Okay, that's about it. I got to get going. I've goofed off enough. Let me finish up this yard. Adios, my friends. Take care of yourselves and don't do what I do.